Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights into today's top products. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that every home chef needs, the ultimate salt and pepper grinder combo. Stay tuned as we explore why this product stands out from the rest. Hey there, fellow enthusiasts. Today, we're talking about the best salt and pepper grinder combo you can get your hands on. It's sleek, it's efficient, and it's designed to elevate your culinary experience to new heights. This grinder isn't just about looks, although it does look pretty sharp on any kitchen countertop. It's all about functionality. With adjustable coarseness settings, you can customize your seasoning to perfection. Whether you prefer a fine dusting or a hearty sprinkle, this grinder has you covered. And let's talk about durability. Crafted from premium materials, this grinder is built to last. No more worrying about wear and tear. It's a kitchen companion you can rely on for years to come. So, why do we consider this the best salt and pepper grinder combo out there? It's simple. It delivers on both style and substance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, this grinder enhances your cooking experience with every twist. Wrapping up, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen arsenal, look no further. This salt and pepper grinder combo ticks all the boxes: quality, functionality, and style. It's a must-have for anyone who values flavor and precision in their cooking. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the best salt and pepper grinder combo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Until next time, happy seasoning.